Today I'm going to be cleaning my garbage disposer with Glisten Garbage Disposer Cleaner, which supposedly reaches deep to clean disposer and drain pipes. Alright, so let's get started with this. Let's look on the back. It says directions for use. We'll get to that in a second, but let me go ahead and pull out a pack of what I'm going to be putting down in the disposer. It says do not open. It says scrubbing packet. We're just going to place this inside of the drain. We'll get to that in a second. But first, let's read the instructions on the back. It says start with turned off empty disposer. Run a strong stream of hot water into the disposer side of the sink, but not directly in the disposer. After 1 minute, reduce hot water to a pencil with trickle. So I'm going to go ahead and run the hot water in the sink without having it directly going down the drain. As you can see right there, just going down in the sink, hot water, and after a minute we'll put it down to a pencil length, and we're supposed to add this to it eventually. It says remove one cleaning packet from the package. Do not open packet. With the disposer off and water still at a trickle, insert one unopened biodegradable scrubbing packet completely in the disposer. Turn on the disposer. And step 3, blue cleaning foam may rise into the sink or both sinks if a double sink. Cleaning action continues as foam retreats disposer. Cleaning is complete once foam entirely disappears from disposer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add this to the disposer, but first I'm going to have the water down to a trickle width. Then I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to go ahead and place it down into the disposer. I think I'm doing this wrong. I think I'm not supposed to turn it on yet, but I'm going to go ahead and place this down. Let me get it down to a trickle width as the direction says. I'm going to go ahead and place that in there. And I already have it going on. I was supposed to turn on the disposer after I put it in, I believe. Remember to read the instructions before you do this and not take my word for it. You can see the foam coming up. Now that foam smells quite fresh. It's expanding, and that is the foam that is cleaning the disposer. It's starting to retreat, but it is clearly still in there, moving around. It's just not overflowing like it was a second ago. So I'm getting closer. You can actually see this. You can see the foam. It's retreated some, but if you look closer, maybe I'll get a little closer so you can see this. If you look closer, you can see down in there, there's plenty of foam moving around. Do you see all that? That blue stuff down in the middle? That's foam down inside of the disposer, cleaning the disposer and cleaning the pipes as the water drains, as the disposer turns, spins, and it's just going to keep on going. And so we're going to keep the trickle going. I'm running out of my patience quite a little bit, and I may just go ahead and turn it on all the way to get the foam out. But let me get in a little closer. So what does it say down at the bottom? It says cleaning is complete once foam entirely disappears from disposer, approximately 1 to 2 minutes. It's been about that, and it's still going. It's still going. But I'm going to speed up the process. Remember, read the instructions. Don't take my word for this because I'm not doing it like the instruction says. But I'm cleaning out of the disposer with the water going down, and I'd say it's about done. In my opinion, it smells fresh, looks clean. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.